From delivering Motion Xcelerator technology to offering a stream of gaming options, the Samsung S95B is unrivaled when it comes to the gaming experience. Let's find out more on the Insane Samsung S95B Gaming Experience in our video today. Have you seen the Samsung S95B TV?
Have you seen that?
If you have, then you have realized that it has some of the most incredible TV features and is a fantastic TV overall. What makes this TV different from Samsung's QLED lineup, including the popular Samsung S95B, is that this TV uses blue OLED panels with quantum dot color filters and is advertised to deliver brighter colors than traditional white OLED displays like the LG G2 OLED. Samsung's 65-inch class S95B OLED Smart TV is not just Samsung's first OLED set combined with quantum dot. It also presents the very best from both technologies in a single package, talking about superior color, brightness, and contrast in a single package. Aside from the 65-inch TV, Samsung's S95B line also offers a 5.5-inch QN5 S95B AF TV. Despite the different screen size, performance is quite comparable to the other. Brightness from the S95B QN600 and 55 measures about 1050 nits with a 10% field. HDR is super good, covering 99.8% of the UHD AP3 color gamut. With about 8.3 million specially designed self-lit pixels inside the screen, the Quantum HDR OLED expands the dynamic range beyond what is possible in HD. Along the edges, the screen measures a little more than 1/8 thick, which combined with the barely noticeable bezels, measures about 1/16 inch at the top and 1/4 inch at the bottom. The TV overall has a unique, sleek look to it, but wait till you get to experience the new technology added to the S95B. In a bit, we will tell you all about it. It also features 2 USB ports face out from the right edge of the screen, and within these ports are 2 extra HDMI ports. There is also an Ethernet jack and an EX-Link service port and digital audio port. All 4 HDMI ports support 4K 120Hz, which is a fantastic feature since other TV sets don't have it readily available. To keep the setup tidy and to avoid all that cumbersome wiring lying all over the TV set, the control box and stand both have built-in cords for cable routing, which is a way to keep the setup tidy. Let's now talk about the gaming experience. The top-notch gaming TV does not slack when it comes to its dazzling 4K HDR images that gives games plenty of punch and a slick, responsive, fast-paced gaming experience. Its support for variable refresh rate, which includes AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync, are major contributors to its impressive imaging. There is also Samsung's Motion Xcelerator turbo technology for a superior gaming experience. This technology has been directly associated with video games. What does the Motion Xcelerator mean? Well, this allows you to get rid of blurry and shaky pictures.
Oh, that!
This phenomenon can be corrected using the black frame insertion technique, which involves briefly inserting a black frame to turn off the display backlight for 3 to 5 milliseconds at the moment of frame change. This visually reduces the perception of a residual picture on the TV screen and makes the picture on the screen better. Motion Xcelerator turns off the backlight, in which case there is no more residual change. Those fast-changing scenes are now able to maintain high clarity and lack the blur which is inevitable. The motion technology is divided into 3 types. The first one is simply called the same Motion Xcelerator technology, and it is used in small configurations of Samsung's TVs, which have support for black frames. The second type is the Motion Xcelerator Turbo, which can emulate 120 Hz on 60 Hz panels for a smoother, faster experience. This is incredible for TV broadcasting and gaming, and is the first for any 60 Hz TV. The last and newest type of technology is the Motion Xcelerator Turbo Plus. This has similar specifics to the Motion Xcelerator Turbo, except for one difference. It is used in the TVs with QLED or Neo QLED screens. Viewing is definitely enhanced with this incredible feature. Samsung has also introduced an all-new game streaming platform that brings users optimized game streaming. Let's look at what this means in a little while. As we proceed, do not forget to click on the subscribe button. We have more coming up for you. On the Samsung S95B, Game Mode is automatically selected when the TV detects a console thanks to the support for ALLM. The Game Bar 2.0 brings all the game-related information into a single convenient display, popping up automatically when a game console is detected or when you hold down the play or pause button.
So that's super convenient.
The Game Bar also includes HER 10 Plus Gaming and HDIG, plus the frame rate, as well as key gaming picture adjustments. Input lag is also a staggering low 9 milliseconds. The Game Motion Plus controls keep lag at bay, while delivering swifter motion on the screen. Samsung's recently launched Gaming Hub has definitely made the brand more appealing for gaming, because it offers a choice of streamed gaming services, which do not affect your gaming results however you choose to access them. The Gaming Hub brings users optimized game streaming without the need for a console PC, additional hardware, or downloads. Players can play the games they love from partners such as Xbox, Nvidia GeForce Now, and coming soon, Amazon Luna. Brings faster and more convenient access to all things gaming within the Samsung TVs. TVs are still the main screen in the home and have eventually become the main screen in the home for video games as well. After all, you will get better impressions from the game with beautiful graphics than you would on a small monitor from a PC or laptop. Check out our video on the Samsung S95B versus LG C2 Best Smart TV Review for more on the specification of the S95B TV. Thanks for watching. We'll come your way another time.